What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Sounds about right. Scotty, working hard or hardly working?
That involves using my brain, and my brain doesn't have enough coffee in it to function yet.
Gotcha. Xander, what are you doing? Oh, you're having a lot of fun. Horn blows. Just like that guy over there. Anyway.
And you said it wouldn't be too hard to try it.
Said it wouldn't be too hard to figure it out.
Whatever, same thing.
Doesn't.
Both of them are gay.
Hey, guess what?
What? No.
You got in Scotty's pants today.
Bobby, we have a gift for you, only because...
I'm gifted?
Especially gifted, maybe.
Hey, when he went to go get those pants, were you like Michael Jackson? Little boy's pants half off?
No, Kmart doesn't have blue lights anymore.
No, that's not Kmart. That's the police. Fans can be like, "What is wrong with these guys?" It's the day after Christmas, and we're like,
Xander has the same build as me. He didn't have enough clothes to bring to work today, so I always
when you
keep
were
spare
younger,
clothes here. Younger?
the same
Those are
build.
pants I just bought. They're brand new Carhartts.
I think my leg would fit in that. That's about
Maybe.
it. Fuck you.
So,
You said it.
yeah. So as we're working on the dashboard, because me and Xander have been tackling this a lot, past, well, not 2 days, but 2 days in general, to get everything apart, to figure out what's broken, what's not.
Hey, you guys did the Christmas Eve special.
Yeah. So, you ready? Couldn't figure out why the bulb wouldn't work.
Oh, that's cute.
We literally just touched it and it fell out.
That's pretty normal for.
There you go.
Oh yeah,
Sweet.
the little regulator.
So we are 98% certain.
Oh,
this
it's
is
the
good.
regulator.
Oh shit.
Let me see.
Oops, sorry. Xander,
I already said fuck, so who cares?
What?
part of the metal sleeve is still on here. So double check what's broken. We may have to rebuild that. The connector, see it?
Let me see.
Nope.
Let me see.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Let me see, because I've taken these apart before.
The sleeve. Or is it all?
No, it's not. That's the.
Oh, that's the way that
That's a
was
female
designed?
one.
Okay, gotcha,
Come on,
gotcha.
Scotty.
That's a female one.
I'm old. I don't want to hear your shit.
I know you don't have too much experience with female things.
I have 5 children and 13 grandchildren. I think I've got more than enough experience with women. I'm just done with them.
What happened?
He learned how to do his own dishes and make himself a sandwich.
Pretty much.
Damn, this video's F today.
Yeah.
So, all right, Xander's got this out. I'm gonna order us a new regulator.
He likes getting probed.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. That's not what you said with the 3/4 inch.
What?
I wasn't supposed to say anything, was I?
No, that was an inch ratchet.
Remember we're
Gotcha.
remember we're barbecuing today, and bad boys don't get any meat.
Bad
Burns-
boys, bad boys.
Burnsy gets a salad.
I'm gonna really probe me.
Jesus Christ, what is
He's
going?
going to put that sulfur in. He's going to be able to adjust your attitude.
No, he's gonna be cranking a while. I've been a bitch.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, we both work with you.
You should have seen me yesterday. I was not in the mood. I was in a mood. Christmas is very bah humbug.
I'm still
Anyway.
convinced you're on your period this week.
Yep.
I agree. He's got his bussy is bleeding.
You never answered me. Tampons or pads?
Oh,
Bounty paper towels.
I'd be a pads girl for sure.
Do you use like the ones with like the extra wide ones?
The ones that
Oh,
have wings.
Yeah.
this was about Ford voltage regulators for instrument clusters.
Do you wear like thongs or panties or?
Oh my God, Scotty, what are we doing other than?
Xander's been around me, so his wit level is coming up quite drastically, and he's getting really good.
I don't know about wit.
He's definitely got more wit than you, but I digress.
Anyway, all right. So Scotty, what do we got over here?
One video at a time. This way we don't get people confused. And on that note, ladies
Scotty.
and gentlemen, with our absolutely ridiculous banter over on the T-Bird, I apologize severely. It will never happen again.
Well, we'll have the next video.
And on that note, have a good one, guys.